Hello, my students. Today, in our second class, we will study the second part of the chapter 1, Introduction of the Topographical Maps. In the last class, we read from this chapter definition of topographical maps, signification topographical maps, natural and man-made features, purpose of this map, definition of contour, index contour, importance of contour, contour interval, and uses of color in this topographical map. Here we can see different symbols and signs and colors uses in this topographical map. In the all this type of map here, the Survey of India uses these things, and in the right side of the corner and the left side of the corner you can see some symbols and signs are there. These are only drawn by the Survey of India, and we have to read these symbols and signs. Any other symbols and signs we cannot use for this type of map. So here is come the list of the symbols of this, the which are the using in this type of map, but we will read the symbols from our book, page number 3. Here the first is the three types of boundary is there: international boundary, state boundary, and the district boundary. In the international boundary there are which bound these boundary are generally in between the two state, and state boundary in between the two states, and the district boundary between the two districts. In the international boundary, one symbol is there. Under the state boundary there are two types of state boundary. One is demarcated and another one is undemarcated. Demarcated is the which are specified by the government, and undemarcated which are not specified. Two types of signs are there. And the subdivision, tehsil, forest, three types of signs are there. Here the tehsil is the subdivision tehsil forest, and middle sign is the tehsil sign, and tehsil is a administrative area where the headquarters are located of a city or town. These are subdivision. In the districts there are one subdivision. This sign we can see in the first, and the third we can see the symbol of the forest. And after this, in the this is the only boundary signs. In the next page, the page number 4, we can see the some other symbols, the boundary pillar symbols, road, metal road. Under the road there are some metal road, unmetal road. Metal road we can see in the town, and unmetal road generally we can see in the rural area, and the metal road we can see in the urban area. And cart tracks, pack tracks, footpath with bridge and passes, these things. And cart track where the cart are running, and pack track is that track where the only the group of animals and the human beings they are using this track. Next is streams, like that some water bodies are there with the bed and are non undefined, and canals also are there, and other water body in that area, that is dams, rivers, and wells, springs, dry trunk, perennial and non-perennial. These all are things are here. And also the railway station, these are man-made features. These man-made features also here with the symbol, which are the single line railway station, and with the single gauge railway with the distance stone railway gauge railway station under the construction. These things all are showing here. And light railway or the tram line, telegraph line, cutting the tunnel, these things all are in the showing in the topographical map with these specific features. And railway, double line railway, and the single line railway, these things are the showing a particular these proper symbols. And here these are some man-made, and the some are the natural features. In that same page, the next some are the more symbols are here. These symbols are uses for the some buildings, some settlements, towns or villages. These are called the settlements where the inhabited. These are the symbols we can see. And cross sign is for the desert where no villages or no settlement is there. A fort symbols, hut symbols, permanent hut or temporary hut, these are almost same. And the temple, church, mosque, tomb, graves, and chhatri is a symbol that are using. Chhatris is a, that is a architecture. These are made by the Mughal time or the Rajasthani, by the Rajasthani emperors. They made for those some famous people or some famous person after they died, where the uh, condemnation happens in that place. They covered with the pillars, and the top of the pillars they made with the stones. These are the called the chhatri means the umbrella. And we can see the lighthouse symbols, and me one of the important symbols, these are mine in the grass, shrubs, and the scrub, and other different trees. They are using different symbols. Scrubs are like the dry herbs. These are the scrubs. And now is the highlights triangular station. These are 200 written and the dot 200 written. These are the highlighted triangular station. This station is the either highest point or the approximate highest point or the station, these things. And last is the benchmark, and some benchmark and territory canal, these are also here. And some abbreviation are here. This is a post office, PS, police station, post office, PO, police station, PS, like that. Reserve forest, RF, protective forest, PF, circuit house, CH. These all the abbreviation. These all symbols we have to memorize, and we have to know the all symbols, but that is impossible for you the all symbols together memorize. So I will give you which important symbols you have to read, and some I will mark, and some I will give, which are I will give by the question answer. Where I am giving the question answer, there I will give the which symbols you have to read. And then these symbols will come like that. The symbols will give in the exam, and the you have to write the thing or the features by for that the symbol is using.